Tell me if you know.
We don't know yet.
Wait. What is this? What is this? What is this? I don't know what this is. What is
Read
this?
it. On the other side.
A new controller? What is a chargeable battery? What? I don't. It looks like a. Can I open this now?
No, let me see what it is.
Because I've been wanting to connect, so it can't be a connect.
Oh, it's a charging base. So you don't have to worry about batteries anymore.
Yeah.
You just hook it on there when you're done playing.
What's this? Wait, is there one more underneath?
I guess Santa knows you kept running out of batteries.
Yep, but they don't really.
You don't want this, you said?
I want it.
Oh, okay.
Of course I want it. There's a book. What is storage cubes? What the?
The little game. Well, remember, Santa thought you'd like all this stuff. Elvis did his research.
I didn't. Whoa. This feels. I just closed. Look. Yep. Yay! Instant.
Close?
No, the thing that you have in your room.
The blanket?
Yeah. Thank you,
Ah.
Santa. Thank you, Elvis, actually.
Is it soft?
Oh, yes. I feel it. Feel it.
Nice. Woohoo, it's just like mine. So what's left?
What?
What's left?
This?
What is it?
I don't know if this is anything.
What does it look like?
Can I?
It's a bag of trash.
It looks like it has two arms. Try to sit in it.
My chair! My chair!
Play your games in, right? you did not know what that was.
I did not know what that was. My chair.